Hi guys, welcome back. This is Maths 3000. Today I'm going to show you a couple of examples on iterations, which are real life population examples. So before you start this, there's a couple of symbols that you need to understand. So p little t means the last term, and p little t plus 1 means the next term in the sequence. So let's have a look at example 1 then. So the number of rabbits in a field t days from now is p, where p0 equals 240 and pt plus 1 equals 1.2 bracket p little t minus 15. So we're going to work out p1 and p2. So we've got our first term p0, which is 240. So to get p1, our next term, we have to substitute 240 into this formula here. So we replace the p little t with 240. So it'd be 1.2 bracket 240 minus 15. So we can type this in on the calculator. So it's 1.2 bracket 240 take away 15. And our first term is 270. So that is P1. Now to get P2, you substitute this last term that we've just worked out, 270, in for PT again. So we go 1.2 bracket 270 minus 15. So again, we can just put that on the calculator. So we go 1.2 bracket 270 minus 15. And that gives an answer of 306. Okay, so P1 was 270 and P2 is 306. So let's move on to the second example. So the number of people living in a town 2 years from now is P, where P0 is 55,000 and P little t plus 1 equals 1.03 bracket P minus 800. Okay, just missed a t out here. So we've got to work out the number of people in the town 3 years from now. Okay, so we've got P0, which is 55,000. So the next term would be P1. So we need to go all the way up to P3 this time. Okay, so to get P1, we substitute 55,000 in for P little t. Okay. So it'd be 1.03 bracket 55,000 minus 800. So if we put that in on the calculator, we get 1.03 bracket 55,000 take away 800. So that is 55,826. So we now use that one to get P little 2. So we substitute this one in for P little t. So it's 1.03 bracket 55,826 minus 800. So again, let's just type that in on the calculator. You could use the AND key instead of typing in the last number, if you prefer. Okay, so the next one is coming out as a decimal. It's best just to write down the full answer on this. And our final term then, P3, so this is the one we need because it says 3 years from now. So we're going to substitute this answer we've just worked out in for PT. So I got 1.03 bracket, so we've got 56676.78 minus 800. And we get a final answer of 57,500 553.0834. Okay, and that's your final answer. So if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.